Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And what we're looking at here is one of my beautiful peach trees. We actually have some peaches on the trees this year. So it was a little rough start in the beginning, but I want to give you this 2-minute tip of what to do with all these peaches. And let's get a closer look. So now's the time to examine your peach tree. You can see we have peaches all through here, and anything that's undersized that's not growing well, like this one here, just remove it. And there's one on the bottom too. This way that beautiful peach can grow. This variety here is Peach Haven. It's self-pollinating, and you can remove some of the other ones. Now, also too, which is very important to do, is let's take a look at the ground, because that's where most of our insects come out of that hurt our peach trees. So now let's look at the bottom of the tree here, and you can see that a lot of immature peaches have fallen off to the ground. And now is the time to clean that up, because if we don't, we're going to be getting bad insects for years to come in the future. And it's very important right now to clean them up so those bad insects do not harbor inside that fruit and inside our ground in future years. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have a good bountiful harvest this year of peaches, and nothing like having a little peach and ice cream at the end of a hot summer day. Thanks, and please share and like.